Hello Aggies! Welcome to the UC Davis CS Tutoring Code Reviews tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to get started with code reviews to receive feedback on your code. This tutorial is meant to be beginner friendly, so no worries if you've never done a code review before. The timestamps for the different parts of this tutorial have been provided. All links provided in this video will be displayed in info cards located in the top right corner of your screen and in the description down below. Code reviews are a great way to get feedback on your programming assignments and gain insight on how to improve code quality as you continue in your programming journey. A CS tutor will be reviewing and providing feedback on your code by making their suggestions through comments. Just like how you can make suggestions and add comments to a rough draft of a paper on Google Docs. Code reviews will be conducted using GitHub Classroom, an educational platform that keeps track of your programming assignments by using GitHub, a website for software development and management. Before we begin, visit the GitHub website and create a GitHub account using your school or personal email. You can also follow this tutorial to create your account. This link is also available in the description. Now that you've made your GitHub account, you can join the GitHub Classroom for your ECS class. Your professor should have sent you a link to an assignment created on GitHub Classroom on your class Canvas page. Clicking the GitHub Classroom assignment link will take you to a web page asking you to authorize GitHub Classroom. Once you have authorized GitHub Classroom, you will see a list of student names. Find your name in this list and select your name to associate your GitHub username with your name on GitHub Classroom. Click OK. Congrats! You have joined the GitHub Classroom for your ECS class. There are two types of GitHub Classroom assignments: individual assignments and group assignments. In this section, we'll go over how to accept individual code review assignments. To accept individual assignments, click the Accept this assignment button. You should now see a message confirming you accepted the assignment. Refresh the page. You should now see a link to a GitHub repository, which is just another way of saying a GitHub folder. Copy-paste this link on a new tab in your web browser. Save this link. This repository is where your code will be uploaded and your code review will be conducted. Note: you must create a new team even if you are working independently. You will only create a new team if your team does not exist. To accept the group assignment, give your group a name and click Create Team. Then click the Accept this assignment button. You should now see a message confirming you accepted the assignment. Refresh the page. You should now see a link to a GitHub repository, which is just another way of saying a GitHub folder. Copy-paste this link on a new tab in your web browser. Save this link. This repository is where your code will be uploaded and your code review will be conducted. In the next section, we'll walk through how to join an existing team when accepting group assignments. To join an existing team that your partner created for your code review group assignment, find your team name under Join an Existing Team. Once you have found your team, click Join. You should now see a link to a GitHub repository, which is just another way of saying a GitHub folder. Copy-paste this link on a new tab in your web browser. Save this link. This repository is where your code will be uploaded and your code review will be conducted. Now that you've accepted the code reviews assignment, visit the tab with your repository. Now, you will need to upload your code to this GitHub repository or folder for your code review. Please watch the following tutorial to learn how to upload your code to your GitHub repository. This link is also available in the description. If you have issues uploading your code to GitHub using the method described in the tutorial, there is an alternative way you can upload your code. On your repository page, click Add File. Then select Upload Files. You should now see a prompt to upload your files. Drag or choose the files you'd like to upload. In the Commit Changes section, create a commit. A commit is a snapshot of your code in its current state. Create a commit by writing a short description of your commit in the first text box entry. Then click Commit Changes. Once you have finished uploading your code, if you click the Code section of your repository, the files you uploaded should now be present. Congrats! You are now ready for your code review. A CS tutor will take a look at your code and provide you with feedback on how you can improve it further. You can view their feedback by clicking the Pull Request section of your repository and clicking the Feedback Pull Request. If you scroll through the page, you will see your code reviewer's comments and any changes they requested. You'll receive an email from GitHub whenever your code reviewer writes any additional comments in your feedback pull request. You can reply back to your code reviewer by typing your message in the Reply text box entry and clicking Comment. Another way to see your reviewer's comments is by clicking the Files Change tab. Thanks for watching. For drop-in tutoring, class review sessions, and more services for ECS classes, join the UCD CS Tutoring Discord. Visit our website to check out our tutoring calendar to see when drop-in tutoring is available for your CS class. Links are provided in the description down below.